So first job of today was my friend's BMW. He hit a curb and bent this arm and this arm, so I just finished that up. So that's the end of the day. Got home. So finished up my friend's BMW. Last thing I had to do was an oil change to it, and he's gonna bring it back for. He has struts and shocks. He's gonna come back like next week to get those done. And that's really it on that car. And I ordered tires for my Sentra, so I gotta put those on. And I gotta order wheel bearings for that car and order those tonight. And we'll have that car done, I wanna say, like next week or the week after that. Our car will be all done, get that sold. And yeah. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe.